and we chose to do solar energy. So what is solar energy? Well, solar energy is defined as the technology and energy source that is used to capture the sun's energy and make it usable. It has been found to be the most cleanest and most abundant renewable energy source available to us humans. Human beings have been using the sun for energy since the beginning of their existence. For example, the plants that we eat sort of store the sun's energy. That is sort of getting the energy in an indirect sort of manner. Also, after being decayed for millions of years and mixing in with the sediment, these plants produce or sort of transform into like fossil fuels, which we turn into coal, and we obviously use coal in those fossil fuels. So technically, the fossil fuels is actually sunlight stored many million years ago.
Okay, here's the evolution of solar technologies. And so roughly around 1860, solar technologies began to develop because of the recent fear of running out of coal. In the 1880s, an American inventor named Carlos Fritz created the first solar cell. And then an American engineer, Richard Ohl, did further work in the 1940s and is known to patent the modern solar cell, which is shown right there. However, it was not until 1954 that 3 American researchers developed the first silicon solar cell. Collections of these silicon solar cells are the ones that we use in photovoltaic modules that then make up a solar panel.
In case you were unaware, when the sunlight hits the cells, it frees electrons from the atoms, and when they flow through the cell, they generate electricity or energy, which Mr. Wiedoff talked about yesterday. This electricity or energy is captured and stored in a device such as a battery by the solar panels for times of use, like when it is cloudy or nighttime. And as we will show later in the PowerPoint, we have a map of the United States where sun mostly hits, or where they see the most sunlight, and those areas would make the most sense for making solar technologies.
Okay, so today solar technologies are found to need a decent amount of land to collect the sun's energy at rates that are helpful to humans. This also, despite the once high cost, solar energy use has increased over the past 15 years due to falling prices and better efficiency. All in all, solar technologies have been seen in more and more countries around the world, and in the hope that one day almost all of our energy is directly from solar power.
And then here's the map that I talked about earlier. And as you can see, the majority of the energy in solar or sun rays kind of hit here in the southwestern United States or around New Mexico and Arizona. So that would make the most sense to make solar technologies there, as they get the most out of they would get the most out of it.
And then, like the blue areas where it's going to be more cloudy and stuff, it wouldn't be as efficient to create solar energy in those places because you don't have as many sun rays and stuff to create the energy.